guys there? Where are you?
What's up, guys? Crash Bandicoot FPV here. Man, it's been a long time since I did a video. But hey guys, I've been kind of doing some things a little differently. I got out of really posting a lot of FPV stuff because I kind of started walking away from FPV, and I've gotten into electric skateboards. They are so much fun, and I love just exploring random neighborhoods and riding around. And man, I don't know, I think I might be done with FPV, but I'm not too sure. But anyways, today I got a really cool video. I got these new wheels for my board that I want to do a video on. There are the Momentum Hollow wheels, and man, they are awesome. I rode them around a little bit, but I figured, you know what, let's do a little ride and a little review and just kind of chill and hang out on this beautiful Sunday. So all right, let me get the stuff ready, get on the board, and then we'll start our adventure.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. It got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade?
We're off. So we're gonna go down the road here a little bit. Hopefully not get hit by any traffic. To be a little careful. Right down the road here, there's a sidewalk. So I'm hoping I'm able to pull this one off. Alright, we're gonna dip off the road here. Actually, shit, we'll just keep riding right over to the sidewalk. Yeah, right through the grass. These wheels are actually pretty awesome. They're super freaking smooth. I don't have the inserts in them right now, the suspension inserts. I don't feel like I actually need them. I have them with me, but I mean, they say that mostly that's increased, speed and range. And right now I'm just going to explore this big neighborhood right here. I don't know what's in here or how well the roads are, but we're about to find out.
Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but it won't be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Sorry. Gotta get used to that braking, because the braking's a little differently, so. But anyways. Yeah, braking's a little different with these wheels because they're a lot bigger. These are 105 millimeters, whereas my orangutans that originally came with the boosted board, they're only 80 millimeters. So taking off and stopping, there's not as much power. That's for damn sure. So you gotta slow down earlier. Ooh, look at this speed bump. This is gonna be fun. These are all throughout here the same. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Oh, they ain't shit.
I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter story ends, I'll always be there for you. Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white.
We're on the boosted board, cruising, enjoying the day, trying to get some cool shots. Holy fucking hell. Woo, that is a hill we're about to go down. Look at that. Woo, buddy. Let's see. This is going to be all cruising down here, so this is actually going to be good because that's battery saver. And I'm regenerating battery right now.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight.
Heck yeah. This is awesome.
I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. If it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. The lines between love and obscene. So please you love me, cause it's not a thing.
So yeah, those the Momentum Hollow Wheels, I can definitely say I like them. I can't wait to get a better board, which I actually am in the process of wanting to do, is get a board with more range, because the boosted board just doesn't have it, dude. The boosted board's not the best when it comes to range. So putting these on a board that actually gets 30 miles of range will be just amazing, dude. Oh yeah, this is nice. Getting out and cruising and just getting that carve in. Woo, you gotta be careful, man. Still getting used to these things, and they want to kick out every once in a while. Alright, so now alright, that was fun. I got some bad looks for doing that, but whatever. Nobody called the cops. You Even if they did, they can get over it. Alright, we're back. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. And we'll go from there.